Can you believe where this summer has gone? 2020 feels like a blur, and yet 2019 seems like eons ago. Before I show you how to make the best, chewiest, most cost-friendly cookie you have ever made, I want to thank School Mask Pack for sponsoring this video. School Mask Pack designed these fun, reusable, colorful masks addressing the problem of finding a mask that our kids will wear. Each school mask pack comes with 5 soft cloth masks, so your child has a fresh mask with a new, fun design every single day. All masks are built with a 3D design, a form-fitting nose wire, and adjustable ear straps. These are the nicest quality masks I have ever seen. They come with a laundry bag, a nice mesh laundry bag to put them in, and a little calendar to keep track of when you've washed them. And it's just really a cute little idea. I think it's wonderful. These have seriously got to be the cutest, the softest face masks, and I cannot wait to see my little grandkids in them. Crayola Mask Pack has perfected every detail. Get the Crayola School Mask Pack today at schoolmaskpack.com/Griffiths. That's schoolmaskpack.com/Griffiths. As an added bonus, Crayola School Mask Pack will donate a portion of your purchase to a charity of your choice that support kids who have been impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Donor's Choice, No Kid Hungry, and Heart of America. I talked to somebody the other day that didn't know what a snickerdoodle was. I'm like, wow, you don't know what a snickerdoodle is? That's the oldest cookie in the book. So today we are making snickerdoodles. I'm making them from our Griffiths cookbook. The ebook is available at griffithscookbook.com. The snickerdoodle cookies call for a 1/2 cup of shortening, a 1/2 cup of butter, 1½ cup sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 3/4 cup flour. And then the sugar mixture that we're going to roll them in is 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon. If you can't find or don't want to use shortening, then you can substitute by just going all butter. I'm going to mix my 1/2 cup of butter, a 1/2 cup of shortening, and again, if you don't want to use this, just use all butter, a 1.5 cups of sugar, and 2 eggs. These eggs are fresh from my niece. Her chickens lay them. And it was very kind of her to give them to me because she really likes her eggs. Two teaspoons cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. No, I think that's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 2 3/4 cup of flour. Preheat the oven at 375 degrees. Okay, this is the fun part. We are going to make these into little balls, and we're going to roll them in sugar and cinnamon, and it takes at least 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon. But you know what? I do not measure this, and I don't want a teeny little tiny bit in here that I'm rolling a ball around. So, and I should have said that in the cookbook, just put a bunch of sugar in a bowl And then put a bunch of cinnamon in the bowl. And mix it up. And I think we need some more cinnamon. Perfect. Okay. So take a scoop, and I like it a little bigger, not just a level scoop. Well, I guess I don't know how big your scoop is, but get a ball in your hand. And then this is where we need to have some little kids here. I just miss it when the little kids aren't around. And then take the ball, and the kids just love to do this, and roll that around in the sugar and cinnamon. And give them plenty of room on your pan. I'm just gonna do about 8 today to start out with, because I don't want them scrunched together to show you. I want them nice and big. All right, my oven's ready, and we're going to put them in there now. I'll just bring you with me. And we're going to cook them for 7 minutes, not a minute longer, just 7 minutes. While our snickerdoodles are in the oven, that is a cute word, isn't it? I thought I would show you some fun stuff from my childhood. I brought out the my elementary pictures. Let's see, the lighting is hard. That's my principal and my teacher, and I think I'm in this one. Oh, I'm right here. That is me in the 4th grade. And these are my classmates. Look how nice they look. I wish I could remember. I know her. I wish I can remember all of their names. But this is in 1971. I was in the 4th grade. What kind of memories do you have from your childhood? Are they good? Did you come home and have cookies after school or treats? Not every day, obviously, but a snack, something like that. Did they take pictures like this when you went to school with the whole class? I think it would have been cool if they'd have kept doing that for our children, but everything seems changed, doesn't it? Who would have thought that we would be sending our little ones to school wearing a mask? It's just some uncertain times right now, isn't it? That's what we do right now, and we're going to get through all this, and they're not always going to have to wear masks to school. It'll be something that they will look back on their childhood, and they'll tell their children, and their kids are probably going to go, what? You had to do what? But when my older brothers and sisters were in school, they used to have to do a drill where they got underneath their desks, and so things just change. All right. These might not look to you like they're done. They're very, very soft right now, but they are done. Let them sit on the pan, and they finish cooking on the pan, and they'll cool off right there. And right now, they're kind of puffy still, but they will flatten out. And as they flatten out, they'll create these little crackles in them. They're already starting to do that. Can you see the crackles? Crackles forming. So these are the ones that have been sitting here for a while. And These are the ones that are still cooling. See, they're still a little bit raised. They'll flatten out just a little bit. That one, you see that one? It'll flatten out. And these are ready to eat. What would I do without you?
What would I do without you?
You've been out here working on my sprinkling system.
Yep. Oh. Well, I think it's been harder on you than me, though.
Yeah, I don't like my flowers dying.
Oh, these look so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are we gonna have to save any for the grandkids coming tomorrow?
Well, I never save cookies. We might make more.
We might make more. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Well, oh.
So I want you to tell me what flavor you taste.
Snickerdoodle flavor.
Some people don't know what snickerdoodles are.
I don't know.
Would you say it has a twang?
No, a little bit of one. I mean, the cinnamon, nutmeg.
It's got cinnamon and sugar, but I think the cream of tartar is what gives it that little
Okay.
twang.
I've never guessed cream of tartar.
Mm-hmm.
Good nonetheless. You know, if you like this video and you think you'd like these snickerdoodles, give this video a thumbs up, and of course, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Hey,
Thanks for watching.
I got a shout out.
Is that your line?
No, you gave me a shout out. Thanks, Chad.
Oh.
Hey, this is your channel too.
Oh yeah, well, it's mostly you, Grandma.
I meant to do this earlier, but see how he breaks that open, and they are just as soft as can be.
They're chewy. They're
Soft and chewy, and the outside has a little crispness to it.
Oh yeah.
Just the perfect cookie. Snickerdoodles.
Just a little crisp.